Meaning of DBMS.
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 DBMS. DBMS stands for Database Management System. It is a software system that enables users to create, modify, and organize databases. DBMS provides tools and mechanisms to manage data efficiently and securely. It allows multiple users to access the database simultaneously while maintaining data consistency and integrity. DBMS also supports data backup and recovery in case of system failures or errors. In summary, DBMS is a critical tool that simplifies database management and enhances data security, consistency, and availability.